So I managed to get 4 of the HO locomotives up and running. Finally got some space on the floor, set up the track, put 2 tracks together, and tested out some trains. So enjoy the videos, enjoy the camera angles. I'm playing with camera angles and going to be messing around with lightings and effects and stuff like that. See what kind of videos we can get for the future. So don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button and go ahead and throw a comment in there. Tell me what you think of these train setups and stuff. I'm kind of mixing everything and I'm learning that easy tracks not always so easy, and I'm actually kind of liking the old Tyco track. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video, and till next time.